What does that remind you of? What does that remind you of? What does that remind you of? Yes, that's right, choke, okay? So here right now, get them when they don't see it coming. I'm gonna go slow so you guys can see every detail, okay? So I'm here, partner's coming, you block with the elbow. This other hand here, if you wanna see here what happens, I just cup the elbow, all right? Cup the elbow. Now I'm gonna pull him and get my arm through until I get my thumb right there behind his neck. That's right. Push the shoulder and spin towards the guy. Then move back. Once you control the grip here, it's just a wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. And then here, look. You face the guy, get your elbow, and cup your hand. And here right now, I like for the belt to catch the belt and move my hip towards him. And that's all she wrote. Uno más. So here we go. Block the head and cup the elbow. Spin under as much as you can. Keep spinning under. Look, I get the arm really long. Now I push the guy back. The thumb is there. Go one more time. Roll back and forth. And here right now, oh yeah. Back and forth until you get what? The elbow cup. Move your hip towards the guy and crunch your body. And see how it works.